Hi, welcome to another video by Daniel and John, and today we're going to have a look at unboxing a Cricut machine, Maker 3. This one's come direct from Cricut because the first machine we had unfortunately failed, so customer service is brilliant. So let's just have a look. So came by D&JHowTo, came in this box. Well packaged as before. Anything I found last time, it's incredibly hard to open the box. Apparently these machines are made in Malaysia. And if you look at the box there, it says in Malaysia, so it actually comes shipped from the Netherlands as a replacement. Right, so I can't remember getting this with my first one. No, I didn't get, it was different, got an A3 sheet of vinyl with the first one. Right, okay, so that's a nice little extra anyway to try some vinyl out. What we got in here? A nice eco-friendly cardboard. I tell you, those are solid. Real solid, those. And then we've got the machine itself. I'll show you that in a minute. Then we've got the USB cable there, which is interesting because with the Maker 3 they recommend Bluetooth. We've got a UK power plug and plug. We've also got US style connector as well, which is quite handy. A little decantescent to keep it dry. In the bottom here we've got some more cardboard, so it's definitely into being and those are those vinyls that I referred to before with everything in. So you get a few bits.
So there is something under the cardboard packaging.
Yeah.
So make sure you check that if you buy one.
Yeah. So
just put that box back together. Fold them in. But
let's just put that there for a minute and then just cut this open. So it's quite well wrapped.
Oh, it's got protective film. Oh, it's got protective film over the entire thing. With shrink wrap.
It's incredibly difficult to get on.
Which keeps everything together in transit.
Okay, so is there anything? No other accessories with it at all. I don't think I got anything before.
Something there, isn't there?
So silver there. So you get the fine point.
So you can cut stuff.
Cutting tool, and it comes with a blade already in it. So they're about 30-40 quid.
Because you can buy the accessories separately, can't you? You can buy all sorts of accessories.
Yeah, and really, that's it. The only thing, like I say, that comes with a USB connector, which goes in the back there, and the power goes in there. But they do say with this, when you log on to your design space, they do say to use Bluetooth with it. And if you look at one of our other videos, if you're running Windows 11, it shows you how to connect up. That's for storing little bits in. That there is for standing an iPad or a little tablet in.
Yeah. And also the important thing to note is you can put the tablet in there, and also on the side there's a USB connector, so you can also power it directly from the machine.
Personally, I use that for a small light.
Yeah.
Have it over so you can see well.
Yeah.
It's got a little storage compartment there, which is quite handy. Little magnetic thing there which shuts. That's it, to be honest. There's not a lot else in there. If you're using their pens, they pop in there. They're a quality machine. I mean, I will say this, that, like I've just said, this is a replacement for our Cricut machine. We had 18 months and it was faultless. And it's the versatility of the machines is brilliant. It's very difficult to match it with an equivalent machine on the market, what it does, because it can do so many things. And when I did call Cricut, we had the red flashing light, which we just could not resolve in the end. They replaced it within 7 days. That is 7 days ago. This new machine was here. So
delivered by DHL.
yeah, I've got to say, sometimes it's not what the company does right all the time. It's when it goes wrong. We're in the UK, and up to 2 years, if it's faulty, they will replace it. So they do stand by their word, and I've got to say it's one of the best companies I've dealt with in a number of years. Anyway, if this helps you a little bit, see what you get in your Cricut, or if you're wondering what they're going to send you when they replace one.
Or if you're just buying one of these and you wonder what's included and what the build quality is like, etc., then hopefully this video is helpful.
They're excellent. They're excellent machines. I can't say more than that.
They are very well built and they're very nice as well.
We use it on a daily basis, so we've been a bit lost without it, to be honest. So it just helps you sort of speed along with your cutting and your crafting. If you give us a thumbs up if you do like this video, and subscribe. We can do a few more Cricut videos.
If you've got any questions regarding the Cricut Maker 3, you've got issues, etc., just let us know in the comments.
Want to know how to do something with it. We've had ours a couple of years.
We've done quite a bit with it, haven't we?
We know a few tricks, that's all.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope this helps you along a little bit. Thanks.